resounds.com. Danielle Leigh Curiel, born December 20th, 1994, an American singer, songwriter, rapper, dancer, and choreographer. Initially appearing as a backup dancer, Curiel began a career by posting covers of popular songs on YouTube before moving to Los Angeles, where she began choreographing for other artists and dancing. She made a career breakthrough after working with Prince on the music video for his single, Breakfast Can Wait. After signing with Def Jam Records, she released her first EP, Summer with Friends, in 2017, followed up by The Plan in 2018. The latter features appearances by rappers YG, Lil Yachty, Lil Baby, and YBN Nahmir. She later released a few more singles such as Lil Bebe featuring Lil Baby and Easy featuring Chris Brown. She also made a cameo appearance in Megan Thee Stallion's Hot Girl Summer music video. One of my favorite songs from her to this day is the song Take It Easy featuring Chris Brown. So in this video, I'm gonna make an attempt at making something similar. Let's get right into it. To start off, I used an aftermarket preset in Silent 1. These pads got a lot of movement in them. This is what they sound like. I used the lower notes of the chord progression and opened up another instance of Silent 1, also using another aftermarket preset. This is what that sounds like. As the song progressed, to give it a little more variation, I opened up an instance of Electra X and copied and pasted the same chord progression. Using an art preset, this is what it sounds like. As I indicated in the video, one of my favorite songs from her is Take It Easy featuring Chris Brown. And I wanted to emulate that same emotion. So the kick, I wanted the kick to have a lot of oomph to it and a lot of body. I didn't want it to have a pattern that was going to be too busy. Enough of me talking. This is what that sounds like. Because the snare has a lot of ambience to it and I wanted to keep the emotion intact, I decided to space them out. This is what it sounds like. Here's where all the magic is, the hi-hat pattern. I wanted the hi-hats to be busy. I wanted to drive the tempo of the beat. This is what it sounds like. As a collective, this is what all three sounds sound like together. As the song further continues to progress, to give it a little more variation and to keep the listener engaged, I introduce two more snares, an open hi-hat, and a cymbal hit. For the hook, I opened up another instance of Silent 1. As you can see, that's one of my favorite plugins. Also using another aftermarket preset. All I did was I adjusted the portamento glide so that the notes glide into each other as they transition. This is what that sounds like. Now that the song has been completed, I'm going to let the song play out in its entirety. I hope that you found something useful from watching this video. If you're already a subscriber, I want to thank you for returning. If you're not a subscriber, please hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications. That way you're notified every time we upload. Do us a favor. It helps the channel out tremendously by giving us a like. Share this video if you have other friends or producers who you think could benefit from this video. I want to apologize for not uploading tutorials and just posting beats. Frequently, I've been able to post beats. My wife and I, we created a mobile application. It's called Market Black. So you can download that in your Google Play and your Apple iOS store. Also, I launched an apparel line. It's called Got It Apparel. You can go check out. I'll leave a link in the description for everything that I previously mentioned. But enough about that. I'm going to go ahead and let this play out, and I hope you enjoy it. Remember, if it sounds good, it is good. Peace.